A, in that your first subdivision A is equal to 2 minus 2 3, B is equal to 1 comma minus 4. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to find your A cross B. Cross is nothing but your Cartesian product. So what you'll have to do for your A cross B is you'll have to write it in your ordered pair. Okay, Cartesian product A cross B is nothing but your ordered pair. How to write your ordered pair is take your first elements in your first set and join that elements with your second set. Okay, so I'm going to take 2 now, with that is your first element in your first set. So 2 comma this one you'll have to join it. Then the next one is 2 comma minus 4. So we have finished 2 now. Now you have to go to minus 2. Okay. So it is minus 2 comma 1. Then minus 2 comma minus 4. Then the next one is with 3 you will have to do it. So 3 comma 1. 3 comma minus 4. So since we have completed all the 3 elements, you can finish up your sum. Okay. Your next one is A cross A, you will have to find it. First write your A, 2 minus 2, 3. Again cross, same A only you will have to do it. So 2 minus 2, 3. Now again same ordered pairs you will have to write it. So open your Z bracket, take your first element in your first A, joining with these 3 elements. Okay, so it is 2 comma 2, then 2 comma minus 2, then 2 comma 3. So once you finish up your first element, go to your second element. So it is minus 2 comma 2, minus 2 comma minus 2, minus 2 comma 3. So your second element is done. Go to your third element. So 3 comma 2, 3 comma minus 2, 3 comma 3. So all the elements are completed. Then you can finish up your answer. Next, third one is B cross A. They have asked you here, it is B cross A. So which is equal to B is nothing but your 1 comma minus 4 cross your A is equal to 2 minus 2 3. Again writing your ordered pair, 1 comma 2, that is your first element from here, joining with these 3 elements. So 1 comma 2, then 1 comma minus 2, then 1 comma 3. Next with minus 4 you will have to join. So it is minus 4 comma 2, minus 4 comma minus 2, minus 4 comma 3. So all the 3 parts are done. So this is your first part answer. Standard 10th, chapter 1, exercise 1.1. First question, find A cross B, A cross A, B cross A. And that your second subdivision, A is equal to B, that is equal to P comma Q. So what you will have to find is, first is A cross B. So A cross B. So that is equal to A is nothing but your P comma Q, cross again B is also P comma Q. Okay, so what you will have to find, you will have to write your ordered pairs. Open your set bracket, write your ordered pair. How will you write your ordered pairs is, take your first element in P, join with these 2 elements. So it is P comma P, then P comma Q. Your second element in A has to be joined with these 2 elements. So it is Q comma P, again Q comma Q. So once you finish up all the elements, you can finish up your set bracket. The next part is A cross A. So A cross A is, write your A, P comma Q, cross again A only you will have to write. So again it is P comma Q. So which is equal to, now open your set bracket, write it your ordered pairs. First element in this A joining with these 2 elements in A. So it is P comma P, then P comma Q. Next, second element in A joining with these 2 elements again. So Q comma P, Q comma Q. So with that your answer is done. The third one is B cross A. So here B is P comma Q. Again A is also P comma Q. Now writing your ordered pairs, that is your Cartesian product. So P, first element in A, B has to be joined with these two elements. So P comma P, P comma Q. Then second element in P has to be joined with these two elements. So Q comma P, then Q comma Q. So just you can check your answers. So everywhere it is the same one. PP, PQ, QP, QQ. So everywhere the answer will be same because of your question. It is PQ. Both A and B is same. PQ, therefore the answers will be same. So with this your second part is done. Standard 10th, chapter 1, exercise 1.1. First question, find A cross B, A cross A, B cross A. Your third subdivision in that, A is equal to n comma n, B is equal to 5. 5 is nothing but your null set. Okay, null set means no elements will be there in your set. That is your 5. So they have asked you to find A cross B. So write your A m comma n cross B is nothing but your 5, otherwise null set. So whenever you are going to do your Cartesian product with your null set, the answer will be null set only because you won't be able to combine these two sets. Okay. So your next answer is A cross A, you will have to find it. So A cross A is what? M comma n cross again m comma n. So what is here? You have got all the elements, so you can write your Cartesian product. Okay, so A cross A you can write it. So that is first element in this A has to be joined with these two elements. Okay, so m comma m, then m comma n. Once you finish up with your m, go to your next element, that is n. So n comma m, then n comma n. So with this your second part is done. Your third part is B cross A, which is equal to, write your B first. B is nothing but your null set. Cross A is m comma n. As I told you in the first case, whenever null set is there, you won't be able to find your Cartesian product. So the answer will be null set only. So with this your third part of answer is done.